Hi Nat5s, so we're looking just at Life on Earth unit and the key area 1b on ecosystems, which is basically just the definition of the term ecosystems. So everything, basically. If you're an ecologist, you're looking at everything about a particular area. You're looking at every living thing there, every single interaction that they have with every living thing and their environment. I quite like this graphic. So we can look at the individual, and then we can look at their population as a whole and everything about them, and then we can look at all the living things, which is the community, and then we look at all of the living things and the non-living things, which makes the ecosystem. And then we could look at each of those and we could say distinct ecosystems are particular biomes, and the whole thing is our biosphere, which is the entire planet. So everything from the entire planet down to one single individual could be an ecologist's look. So what you do need to know is that they are complex, stable units. So the interactions all are balancing each other out. And so to actually look at an ecosystem, you need to know everything that you possibly can about the community and about the climate, and and the habitat. So everything that you possibly can. And there are some ecosystems, and this is quite obvious, I think, but it should be made clear, they're more vulnerable than others. So ones which have less links, basically. So you're ones where you are right at the edge of a temperature level which would be acceptable for a whole pile of organisms. They will be more vulnerable. This is a map showing ecosystem vulnerability for climate change. And it's not just climate change that would impact, pollution would be an issue, and every single one of these deserves respect and our understanding. Okay, so your definition of an ecosystem, a complex, stable interaction of, and we're looking at every single living thing and every non-living thing. So I particularly like going down community and habitat, because they're my two definitions I need to know anyway. But you could also use living, non-living, or biotic and abiotic. And again, because these are definitions you know. And then once you've got it, you tend to state the ecosystem in terms of where they are. So you could say it's marine or river or whatever you're looking at. And that's that key area section.